Hello all, welcome to Billionaire. So this is Nifty chart which we plotted with Elliott waves, and we were saying that Nifty will break this low of 15,671 and it could drop minimum towards 15,400 to 15,000 levels. So this seems to be in line. Nifty yesterday opened a big gap down and then made a low of I think somewhere around 15,680 and then again gave a bounce back in last 1 hour. So here you can see MACD has given a red signal. Okay, so MACD crossover has been confirmed, so the bearish bias is still there. Now MACD what can do is it can go like this and turn like this, creating a positive divergence. Here the price will make a fresh low, so that will indicate a momentum loss, but don't hurry yet. It can even drop further on the downside, but yeah, we should be prepared that MACD has lost the momentum, means MACD is not falling as low as the price, so that indicates there could be a potential reversal coming in. So yeah, we have to be ready, and what I'm expecting is we are currently in a Z wave, A, B, C on the downside. So C wave can become an ending diagonal, but that is not confirmed, and we can when we are projecting an ending diagonal, we can go wrong 9 out of 10 times. So it can make like this, okay, and then bounce back on the upside. So if ending diagonal is made, then it will be a better confirmation for us that there is a reversal ahead. Otherwise we will go more deeper. So C wave is very sharp, as you can see big gaps were created here. So this is a full gap down, this was a partial gap down, but today yesterday's gap down was very big gap down, and we almost broken the previous low of 15,671. So now let's move ahead and check what is happening here. Okay, so the moves here are looking like this, okay, of the C wave fall. So A wave completed here, B wave completed as an expanded flat, and C wave currently is in progress, which we already projected going towards minimum towards 15,603, right? So now internal move on the 5-minute chart. So this is 5-minute chart. Here internal moves are looking like this. 1 2 completed here, third wave completed here, okay, which was very deep on the downside. So 3 of 3 is the point here, and 4 and 5, right? So here third wave completed, 1 2 3, fourth wave is in progress either way, or has completed yesterday. Okay, so here we have some doubt on these moves, but yeah, it during the downfall or big gap downs, it's better not to project the moves on the reversal side, because the reversal always hurts, because the reversal may not go well, and the projection will be incorrect most of the time. So the trend is down, so better have a count supporting the downside. So look for the reversal only when you see a divergence on higher time frames, let's say 15-minute or 1 hour chart. So currently what I'm assuming is today also it will open gap down, let's say partial gap down, and then start the drop. So if Nifty opens gap down below 15,600, sorry 700, okay, we can expect it to break this low of 15,671 and move towards 15,600. So this was our 1.618 target, right? So it should move towards this. That's what we are assuming. It should open gap down below 15,700, then we are going to break this and drop further downside. So the today's fall will be a little bit slow than the yesterday's or previous falls. Okay, so you can understand here that third wave could have been completed, since there is no bigger pullbacks. So bigger pullbacks are missing here, so it's very hard to forecast the move. Okay, so this is the best count that I can come up with. Here the third wave had been you can call as a extended move internally because of the big gap down, and the fourth wave could have been completed here because there is a small resistance here, and today we can open a gap down and drop on the downside. So this is how I'm looking at on the 5-minute chart. Another way to look at it, why I'm saying it should open below 15,700 is because of this. So here we see a 5-wave structure as well, so it can be A wave, and then we can come like this, and then we can go like this as C wave on the upside. So this possibility is also there, but what I'm assuming is this could be wave could be completed here with a truncated 5 wave, and this could be ABC zigzag. Okay, so that is possibility. So what I'm saying is if it opens gap down below 15,700, then it's a signal that the fall will be further there. So if it comes here and bounces back, breaks this high, then we can assume that it is going up on the upside. So if it opens flat or gap down, you have to wait for support near this and break of this. Okay, so if it opens small gap down, goes like this. Okay, let me show here. If it goes like this towards 15,730, then wait for break of this. Okay, then from here onwards what I'm expecting is 100 points rally towards 15,900. Okay, so wait for this, and maybe you can take a small trade here on the long side, but it will be risky and the move should be slow. It can turn down anytime, so you have to be ready, and you are just trying to capture 100 points in that case. If it opens gap down below 15,700, then I will assume that it is going to crack further down. Okay, maybe if you want to take fresh trades, if it opens gap down, let's say here, wait for break of this, then you can initiate the fresh trade for 100 to 200 points on the downside. So yeah, as I said, this could be like this as a fourth wave, and then a drop on the downside, so towards 15,600 to 500. Okay, that's all on the Elliott wave front. On the option chain, here we see that the range is 15,000 to 16,000. So range has shifted. Since our last video we discussed that Nifty will drop on the downside, and same thing has happened, and the range has also shifted on the downside. So 15,500 to 16,000 is a range now, and equal number of call writers and put writers are present on 15,800. So this is the strike where the bulls and bears will fight. Okay, so let's see the range shifting lower towards 15,800 to 15,500. So this could be the range for this expiry. So it could be the case that Nifty will break this, go towards next support, and then again next to the next support, bounce back up afterwards in the expiry. On the expiry day we can expect a bounce back, so this can happen, so be prepared. So it all depends on how much gap down it can open today, and we expect on the option chain that there are two supports here, and it can move further downside towards 15,500. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.